Hello, this is Andre from AllRotors.com, and today I'm here to give you a quick overview of the AllRotors app and show you how quick and easy it is to schedule a service for your vehicle. All of the services found here are mobile, which means you don't need to bring your vehicle anywhere, we will come to you. Once you've installed the app, start by tapping Book a Service and adding your location. AllRotors services are available all over the Greater Toronto Area. Next, add your vehicle. Virtually any kind of car can be found in our database, so you can use the drop-downs to select the year, make, model, submodel, and so on. Depending on the car, some of this information will be automatically filled out for you. We even support services for hybrid and electric cars. Then, select from our list of available services, which include oil changes, interior and exterior detailing, brake replacements for both pads and rotors, tire swaps, safety checks, and appraisals. For brake replacements, you can bring your own sets of pads and rotors, or choose from a selection of our sets specifically chosen to be compatible with your vehicle. Finally, choose your most convenient date and time at checkout, and you're all set. For a limited time, use the promo code APPF10 for a 10% discount on your selected service. Look for the AllRotors app on the Google App Store or the Apple Store.